Introduce the Aventador Ultimae as the final iteration of the iconic Aventador line, symbolizing the zenith of Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12 engines. Highlight its limited production, making it an exclusive masterpiece of engineering and design. 1. Technical specifications. Engine 6.5L V12 producing 769 horsepower. Performance 0 to 60 mph in 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of 221 mph. Emphasize the Aventador Ultimae's lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, to improve performance and handling. 2. Unique design features. Describe the aggressive and aerodynamic design, which is both visually striking and functional, enhancing downforce and cooling. Mention the customizable options through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program, allowing owners to personalize their cars extensively. 3. Advanced technology. Touch on the cutting-edge technologies used in the Aventador Ultimae, such as the LDVI, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system, which manages the car's dynamics in real time based on driving mode and conditions. Mention the digital cockpit with customizable displays, providing drivers with a modern and immersive driving experience. 4. Legacy and impact. Discuss how the Aventador Ultimae represents the culmination of Lamborghini's V12 legacy, setting the stage for future hybrid models. Mention Lamborghini's direction towards electrification and how the Aventador Ultimae serves as a bridge between the past and the future of supersports cars. 5. Conclusion. The Lamborghini experience. Conclude by reflecting on the emotional and exhilarating experience of driving a Lamborghini, emphasizing the brand's dedication to pushing the limits of performance and design. Invite your audience to dream, aspire, and appreciate the artistry and innovation that Lamborghini represents. Visuals and B-roll suggestions include footage of the Aventador Ultimae in motion, showcasing its performance and sound. Feature close-up shots of the design details, interior craftsmanship, and technological innovations. Consider adding historical footage or images of past Lamborghini models to illustrate the brand's evolution.